What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Trail Dogs Tuesday. I'm gonna do a product review on this TUSK Performance cargo anchors. I got it from my buggy, Can AM Maverick Sport. And the way they work is they go in there and you just take your ratchet strap to there and run it across to the other one. I haven't got this other one in yet, so I'll show you how to do it. Best way I found to do it is take you some tape everything up underneath it. You got to trim them up a little bit, okay? This is how they come, straight, and then you got to trim it up to get it to fit. Oh, you dropped my boat or washer. You got to trim it up to get it fit. You got to trim a little bit off this. You got to trim a little bit off this bottom side right here, and a little bit off this top ear. But once you do that, it works perfect. So I'll show you how to do it. You pop your air cover off, and you pop one little rivet right here. You pop this off, and then you take your, from the bottom down here, and you run this up. You run this up through here like this, and then once you kind of wiggle it into place, you get it into this little hole, kind of wiggle it into place, and once you get it wiggled into place, you can go ahead and run your extension, get it on there, and then spin it around. Go ahead and get it going in there. I got my tape, got it ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna fish my hand up through here just like this. Kind of feed it to the top, just like so. And what I'm running into now is what I ran into on the last set that I installed. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a file down the inner edges. Just a couple passes. It's just plastic, so it goes pretty easy. Alright. Now, make sure it's kind of decently still lined up. Make sure that the part that we grinded is back and the top ears to the front. Kind of fish it up through there. There you go. Once you get it close, you ain't got to really get it all the way. Far from this side over here. Boom and boom. Once you get it close, thread that through like that, and you'll feel it get past the washer, and then go ahead and get it started with a couple turns on the bolt. You'll know when you get it on the bolt. The tape really helps keep it in line. You just got to keep some pressure on it, just like that. There you go. Now I got roughly 4 inches of extension with a 12mm bolt or socket. You're going to kind of fish it up through there to get on the head of it. Just like that. Take you a second, fish it through. Make sure your wires and stuff ain't in the way. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Try and pull as much of the tape off as you can. There you go. Now that I'm on it, take your screwdriver, run it through there just like that, get it ready. Take your ratchet, Put it on the head of the extension, just like that. And then just go ahead and twist it around a couple times. Kind of want to snug it up, make sure it don't rattle loose. So that's good right there. I'm gonna leave it at an angle a little bit. And there you go. That's it. Install's done. Got that side done. Ready to rock and roll. They work pretty good. You just had to modify them a little bit to get them to fit. I don't know if they'll fit your machine, but that's what I had to do to get mine. I just grinded down the edges. No big deal. That's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next Tuesday.